Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. This time we'll be dealing with volume of cone. Volume of cone. Yes, this image you're seeing on your screen is a cone. A cone is a solid shape that has a curved surface and a round based surface. So this is a cone. A cone. So let us deal with volume of a cone this time. Volume of a cone. Volume of a cone. So to deal with volume of a cone, the formula is just the one third formula to calculate that of cylinder. Yes, remember the per r squared h. Hence, the volume of cone, formula to calculate volume of cone is 1 over 3, 1/3 pi r squared h, where pi is 22 over 7. Remember the ratio of circumference to diameter of any circular object, and it is constant, 22 over 7. And r is the radius of the base of the cone, and h is the height of the cone. So with this formula, we can calculate the volume of a cone. So let's take some example to calculate volume of a cone. Example number 1. This says a cone has a radius of 4 cm and a height of 6 cm. Find its volume. So let's go into the solution of this question. Solution. So first of all, as usual, we state the formula that volume of a cone is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by pi r squared h. So let's take the given parameters. Given pi is 22 over 7, comma, radius is 4 centimeter, comma, and height h is equals to 6 centimeter. Hence the volume of the cone is equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 4 centimeter all squared multiplied by 6 centimeter over 1. So I can simply say 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So I'll be left with 22 over 7 multiplied by 4 centimeter over 1 multiplied by 4 centimeter over 1. This 4 centimeter squared has been splitted now. Multiplied by 2 centimeter over 1. So all denominators 1 1, then this is 7. 7 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 7. So let's multiply all through the numerators. 22 times 4. 22 times 4 is 88, and 88 centimeter multiplied by 4 times 2 is 8, and then centimeter times centimeter is centimeter squared. So all divided by 7. So 88 multiplied by 8. 8 times 8 is 64. I'll be left with 6. 8 times 8 is 64 plus 6, 70. That's 704 divided by 7 centimeter what now? Centimeter multiplied by centimeter squared is centimeter cube. So divide 704 by 7. So 7 here 1, 7 here 1, and then 7 in 0 4, so I'll have 0. So 7 in 4, so I'll add 1, I'll add 0, so that will be 100. is 0. So if I put decimal point, I'll add 0. So 7 in 40 will be 5. I'll be left with 5. So I'll have 7. So my answer there is 100.6 centimeter cube to 1 decimal place. So this is the volume of the cone, whose base radius is 4 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Let's take example number 2. Example number 2 says a cone has a volume of 200 centimeter cube. So in this case, the volume has been given. If its radius is 5 centimeter, find its height. So let's get into the solution of this. So in this case, the volume has been given. So let's say given that the volume of the cone is 200 centimeter cube, while the radius is 5 centimeter, the height question mark, we're looking for it. So give the formula that volume of cone is equal to 1/3 by r squared h. So the volume of cone has been given to be 200 centimeter cube, equal to 1/3 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 5 centimeter all squared over 1 multiplied by height over 1. So let's get these collapsed, multiplied together. So we have 200 centimeter cube equals to, here we have 22. 5 times 5 is 25. So okay, let me make it 25. Okay, let's deal with that. 25 multiplied by 22. So by the side, let's do that. 25, 5. So I'll have 110 and then 44. So that is 540 centimeters squared. So what I have here is 550 centimeter squared multiplied by height all over 3 times 7 is 21. So from here I can cross multiply, right? So if I cross multiply, I should have 200 centimeter cube multiplied 21 is equal to 550 centimeters squared multiplied by height. So since I need to make height the subject of the formula, I will divide both sides by 550 centimeters squared. I'll divide both sides by 550 centimeters squared. 550 centimeters squared. So this cancel this. I'm left with h here. So can I say 0 cancel 0? So centimeter squared, 2 centimeters. So this one will be 3, and this one will remain 1. So we have 20 centimeters left here, 55. So let's take 20 multiplied by 21. 20 in 21 places. 20 in 20 places is 400. That means in 21 places it will be 420 centimeters. All over 55 is equal to the height. So let's take our height now to be the subject formula, equal to, what can we divide it? Let's do with 5 first. So 5 here, 11. So 5 in 40 is 8. Remainder 2. 5 in 20 is 4. So that's 84. So we have 84 centimeter divided by 11. So how many 11 can I get from 84? Definitely I'll get just 7. And then remainder 7. So if I put 0, I'll get 6, right? So I'll get 6 from 70. So that will be 66, remainder 4. So I will get 3 from the next one. So remainder 7. So I'll get 6 again. So I'll keep getting 6, 3. So the height is definitely 7.64 centimeter to 2 decimal place. So this is the height of the cone, whose volume is 200 centimeter cube and radius 5 centimeter. Let's take example number 3. Example number 3 says a cone has a base area 200 centimeters squared and a height of 8 centimeter. Find its volume. Wow, this time now the base area has been calculated and an height is given. The question asks that we should find its volume. So let's go into the solution immediately. Solution. So now base area is given. Base area is equal to 200 centimeter squared, and then the height is equal to 8 centimeter. So let us state the formula that volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 multiplied by base area multiplied by height. So the volume then is equal to 1/3 multiplied by the 200 centimeter squared base area over 1 multiplied by the height, which is 8 centimeter over 1. So I have 200 multiplied by 8, that is 1600 centimeter cube. Centimeter squared multiplied by centimeter cube. Now all divided by 3. So let's get that division. 3 here 1, 3 in 16 is 5, remainder 1, 3 in 10 would be 3, remainder 1, 3 in 10 also would be 3, remainder 1. So we'll keep having 0.33333. So we can approximate to 2 decimal place. So the volume of the cone is 533.33 centimeter cube. So to 2 decimal place. So we just got the volume of the cone. I believe you understood everything we did in this video. Pause it, watch it again, and get the formula of volume of a cone in your memory. Install it and practice more questions on volume of a cone. Bye bye. See you in the next video.